gets ED summon in laundering case, seek time citing pending surgery. Congress defeats Congress, says Manish Tiwari over infighting in Punjab sparked state chief buzz. Mamta meet PK. PK is Prashant Kishore, the famous Prashant Kishore, who is now the political advisor, or the rather I would say poll advisor for different parties, and till now he have gained most of the party win wherever he has put his thoughts and ideas on. So it's a great thing. Ahead of likely TMC rejig next week, TMC Partha Chatterjee has on June 5 said one person, one post rule would be implemented at all party level. Officially, the party has not made any formal comments on impending changes. India talks legitimacy with Russia as Taliban sweep Afghanistan. Mamta sent Hasina the thank you note for mangoes. 9 of Agra family drowned in Saryu. High Court verdict on Twitter MD plead likely. The Karnataka High Court on Friday reserved its order on the platform filed by the Twitter India Managing Director Manish Maheshwari, seeking the quashing of notice issued to him by the Uttar Pradesh police. The June 21 notice issued by the Ghaziabad police asked him to appear before them regarding a probe into the circulation of the communally sensitive video clip of an elderly Muslim man being attacked. After both sides concluded their argument, Justice N. Narendra indicated that he will give his order on Tuesday. On June 24, the court had granted relief to Maheshwari by restraining UP police from initiating any coercive action against him. It, however, said the police can interrogate him. Rahul yet to take over. Congress mulls more than one VP. MBBS intern will have to take Ayush training, say NMC. Research scholar. And like after tractor knockdown, boy takes steps to get a uniform civil code. High Court urges center. This is something which is very needed for the country like India, where we have so many different castes and so many different religions, where every religion people might feel they have some privilege due to their religion and some restriction due to their religion. So uniform civil code will give the people of India actual equality, because our constitution is, I don't want to question the constitution, but there are some clauses which are definitely clash with each other. Constitution says that we all Indians are equal, but if we all are equal, then why government has policies to differentiate us? Okay, so there are a lot of things we can have a discussion later that can be done, but yeah, uniform civil code is something which is very much needed, so that every crime have a same punishment. It does not matter where you are from or which religion you belong to, like that. Jolt to Chirag as High Court rejects his petition against Paras. I think Chirag's time is gone. I think he needs to start pulling up with a new party, probably by himself, and maybe try to start from there, because LJP is gone. Mukul is PAC chief. BJP snub offer for other panel. Krishnanagar Uttar MLA Mukul Roy was elected chairman of Public Account Committee PAC in most prestigious among the 41 standing committee in the Bengal Assembly, prompting opposition BJP to refuse the chairmanship of 10 standing committee the speaker had offered to them. The assembly entrusted PAC to examine the state government expenditure and scrutinizing. I really don't want to speak to this, but it's very tempting. The government who says that everything needs to be audited and we are good and fine every places, then why that my own person is sitting there for auditing? I know on pen paper you know that Mukul Roy is a BJP MLA, but he is no more with the BJP, right? So definitely his alliance and thought has been aligned with you. Because of that only he have changed the party, though it is not changed in paper. It is something similar to what Justice Chandra was like. He had nothing to do. I mean, there is nothing saying that he will not give justice, but you still had an confusion suggesting that he had fought cases for BJP, and that's something very normal. That okay, whatever decision he gives, he might have a little core thinking against you. So the same things will happen here, right? The constitution had constituted this post in such a case that the auditor or the PAC should always the chairman of the PAC should always be the opposition's leader, the leader someone from the opposition. But ideally he is not. I mean, ideally he is, yes, sorry, ideally he is, but he is actually not. I mean, there are a lot of things that you need to understand, but yeah. Okay. Supreme Court notice to Odisha, Jharkhand and Chandigarh in love jihad case. The Supreme Court on Friday sought responses from Chandigarh administration and government of Odisha and Jharkhand on the plea on a Odia couple who sought rescue of their pharmacist daughter from love jihad, a term that entered the annal of the Supreme Court through Hadia Safina Jahan case from Kerala in 2017-18. The bench of Justice UU Lalit, Ajay Rastogi and Aniruddha Bose issued notice to the government in the case that spanned 3 states. The UT jurisdiction, after hearing argument from Sudarsh Menon, who narrated the story of woman's parent being unable to trace her after her marriage to a Muslim man in Chandigarh. He said she is vanished into the hinterland of the state. The Supreme Court asked respondent to file a counter affidavit by July 23, the next date of the hearing. Parents Kavita and Kedarnath moved to habeas corpus petition in the Supreme Court, apprehending threat to their daughter's life. The girl student studied B Pharma with a man from JNK at Odisha's Bahampur before moving to Lucknow and then to Chandigarh in pursuit of job, and then marrying and finally disappearing into JNK's Bandipura, to which the man belonged to. The parents said they were not opposed to interfaith, intercaste or interreligious marriage, and declared that they won't harm their daughter if she married a Hindu, Christian or a Muslim boy, or of her own choice. They said they apprehend that their daughter has been coerced into marriage. They said they learned that the man to whom their daughter was married was engaged in crime syndicate which is playing with the lives of Hindu girls. The parents said they went to Chandigarh and tried to bring their daughter back with them, but their effort failed. The Muslim man and our daughter moved the Punjab and Haryana High Court for protection. The petition was later withdrawn and couple disappeared. They alleged, "We are unable to contact her and fear that the crime syndicate may coerce her to do illegal act or acts detrimental to national security. Her phone is switched off and we don't know her whereabouts," they said. UP plans a special SOP for those with one child. Resilience, innovation, propelling recovery, says industry leaders. Detention law in Telangana, draconian, Supreme Court. Bangladeshi film on a teacher quest for justice makes waved at Kenas festival. 6 UP policemen suspended in sari pulling case. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath on Friday ordered the suspension of 6 policemen posted in Lakhimpur Kheri, including a circle officer, for laxity in carrying out their duty. The action was taken after video clip surfaced on Thursday showing two men pulling a woman by her sari while the submission of nomination for the block chairman poll was on at Lakhimpur Kheri. She is the proposer of Samajwadi Party backed candidate. Walk-in interview for engagement of 3 junior research fellow and 5 research scientists in different project is to be held from 2nd of August to 6th of August at IIRS, that is Indian Space Research Organization. 4 Kalidas Road, Dehradun. The detailed advertisement about this is there in www.iirs.gov. Delhi Technology University, they want associate professor in computer engineering, associate professor in technology, information technology and software engineering. Use IoT. IoT means Internet of Things to monitor auto plants. Economy and caste factor. Nature greatest predator under my kayak. How I met orca whale at sea. Okay, this is Dilbert. I signed up for a material art class. It's something called yoga. Have you killed anyone yet? Not on purpose. Fire killed 52 workers locked inside Bangladesh factory. Garment factory outside Dhaka. Data access an issue, not privacy. Looks like there was a big plot to destabilize government. Chandigarh Mantri. Hope I go to space many times and many other go there too. Two team visitor test positive for coronavirus. I hate this coronavirus. Done for the day. Let's see what the supplemental paper says. It says, I chose Arpana Sen as my favorite director while studying cinema in college. Kajal Agarwal. I don't feel that you need somebody to complete you, says Sangeeta Bijlani. Russia and Tom in race to make first movie in space. Why they want to make movie in space? It will take so much of budget. Heading back to the gym, take it easy. Standing ovation at Cannes Film Festival validated my 3-year fight against patriarchy and depression. Azmeri Haq Badoon. I hope I spelled out correctly. And this is from a movie called Rehna Maryum Noor. It's a Bangladeshi movie which has been listed in Cannes Film Festival. That's all guys. Chalo, bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow again.